Take a live look. This is not a live look. Bad habit. Take a look outside with me from earlier this evening. This was taken by Cannon Gage at the Ozark Lock and Dam. Beautiful sunset out there this evening. We had some of those decaying thunderstorms producing some cloud cover out there. That cloud's breaking up right now as we speak. And by the time you're waking up tomorrow morning, we should see nice clear skies out there. Sunrise tomorrow morning, 6:34. Should have a nice clear sky out there for the first half of the day. But by the afternoon, it's getting warm. Some of those clouds are bubbling up. And at this time of the year, those clouds often do produce at least a few spotty pop-up showers. I'm not expecting as many as we saw today. Really didn't see a lot today, but tomorrow we're probably going to see fewer than that. A couple of them likely developing late afternoon, fizzling out once that sun starts to set by tomorrow evening. And then we'll see those skies clear out once more going into our Friday. Highs are going to be warm tomorrow. We're looking at mid-90s Northwest Arkansas, peak temperatures, upper 90s in the River Valley. Heat index values likely in the triple digits, and that will be the case certainly going into the weekend. We'll skip over Friday. I'll just tell you, Friday's hot and sunny, but by this weekend, we're looking at an increase in humidity. There's a system passing through the Gulf that's going to send us some more moisture. So while, yeah, it's humid today and it's going to be humid tomorrow, just wait till what you feel out there Saturday and Sunday. Heat index values as high as 104 to 105 on Sunday in Northwest Arkansas. In the River Valley, it's going to be just uncomfortable in the middle of the afternoon. We're thinking right around 110, give or take a degree or two in terms of heat index values, unless you get one of those pop-up showers or thunderstorms. That chance both Saturday, Sunday at about 20%. Here's some good news. We're always looking for a cold front this time of the year, right? And I'll tell you, technically speaking, what we very well could see move through about a week from now, next Thursday, is a cold front, but let's go ahead and call it a cool front. I don't think it's going to bring a big significant drop in those temperatures, but I do think it'll be enough to notice and appreciate for at least a couple of days. This time of year, these things are somewhat fickle, so we'll keep tracking it to be on the safe side the next couple of days. It does look like, though, maybe temperatures come down to at or maybe just slightly below average when this front comes through. And of course, it would potentially bring some slightly better rain chances there as well. As you hit the hay tonight, 83 currently in Fort Smith, still though a heat index value of 89. It's that dew point. That humidity's really high out there, and it's going to probably be pretty high over the next several days. Only getting warmer going into the weekend. Here's your forecast. 10% chance of a couple of spotty showers tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Overall, not good chances. Generally speaking, most folks likely going to be staying dry. First couple of days of next week looking to be just as hot, but then we get closer and closer to that Thursday mark, and that's when we could expect that brief minor cool down. So yeah, it still looks like it's going to be toasty out there, but I think we'll all agree a drier heat right around 90 degrees is a bit more tolerable than, say, 95 with high humidity. So that's certainly something to look forward to. Our skies will probably clear out at least for a couple of days there before those temperatures do start to rebound. In the River Valley, we're looking at some pretty hot temperatures the next several days. 97 tomorrow, 98 Friday. We continue climbing up to about 99 on Saturday. Somebody, and you just know it, somebody out there is going to have one of those backyard weather stations that reads 100. If not tomorrow, perhaps Friday, certainly by Saturday. Hot no matter if we're at 99 or 100, right? It's tough to feel the difference. But I do think by, let's say, Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next week, we'll start to feel a little bit better for a few days. These fronts are starting to become a bit more frequent. You know, we had some minor relief earlier this week. We had some a week or so ago. Expect to continue tracking these as we slowly make that transition away from summer to fall. It's not a 0 to 100 type thing. It takes some time, but we're seeing that happen right now. Got to get through a few more weeks of hot temperatures, but I think you know, fall perhaps not too far away.
Good news, if we can get those fronts more frequent, last a little bit longer,
yes,
that'll be nice.
Drop those temperatures. Right now we're getting excited about only dropping to 90, which
90.
is kind of funny, right?
If we could get to 90, that'd be great. 93
yes.
is getting me excited right now.
I'm looking forward to when we drop into the 70s for highs. That's going to feel nice.
All right, well, thanks, Scott.